Right now on Savage Gang, it's your boy Bad Savage, aka 454 Savage, and I'm about to do the first cold start of my Monte Carlo. I haven't driven it in about 2 weeks now. And then also the weather in Louisiana been real cold, man. 20 degrees below. So man, it's a real true cold start for me not driving my car in so long, and also how cold the weather been out here in Louisiana, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Hey y'all, I finally made it to my mind. It's a true cold start right here. True cold start. Oh yeah, y'all just come watch me start it up now. That's it for the cold start video, man. Y'all just stay tuned to the next one. Behind me, I got power stop right here. I got this power stop box. If you know, you know. You feel me? So y'all just stay tuned for the next one. I'm gonna holler at y'all, Savage Gang.